If you can balance a budget but can't trust your advisor, this one's for you. Join me as I dive into my financial journey and uncover why I can't trust my advisor anymore. You won't believe what I found. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. Imagine this. You're sitting across from your financial advisor, a knot of anxiety tightening in your stomach. You're not sure why, but something feels off. Maybe it's the way they gloss over your questions about fees, or perhaps it's the nagging suspicion that their investment advice benefits them more than it does you. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many people experience a sense of unease when it comes to trusting financial advisors. It's a relationship built on a foundation of trust, and when that trust wavers, it can be incredibly unsettling. This feeling of mistrust often stems from a lack of transparency, exorbitant fees, or a perceived conflict of interest. It's essential to remember that you have the right to understand where your money is going and how it's being managed. This essay will equip you with the knowledge and tools to take control of your financial well-being. By understanding the common pitfalls and learning how to identify a trustworthy advisor, you can navigate the world of finance with confidence and peace of mind. One of the first signs of a trust issue is a lack of transparency. Is your advisor hesitant to explain their fees or investment strategies in clear, easy-to-understand language? Do you feel like you're being kept in the dark about where your money is going? If so, it's time to raise a red flag. Another red flag is the presence of excessive fees. While financial advisors deserve to be compensated for their expertise, exorbitant fees can eat into your returns and hinder your financial progress. It's essential to understand how your advisor is being paid and to ensure that their fees are reasonable and transparent. Finally, be wary of potential conflicts of interest. Does your advisor recommend products or services that seem to benefit them more than they benefit you? Are they pushing you towards investments that align with their own financial interests? If you suspect a conflict of interest, it's important to address it directly or consider seeking a second opinion. When it comes to your finances, transparency is paramount. You deserve to know exactly how your money is being managed, what fees you're paying, and how your advisor is being compensated. Don't be afraid to ask questions and demand clear, concise answers. Start by requesting a detailed breakdown of all fees associated with your account. This includes advisory fees, transaction costs, and any other expenses deducted from your investments. Don't settle for vague explanations or industry jargon. Insist on a clear understanding of every charge. Next, inquire about your advisor's investment strategy. How do they make investment decisions on your behalf? What criteria do they use to select investments? What is their track record? A trustworthy advisor will be happy to explain their approach in a way that you can understand. Remember, it's your money, and you have the right to know how it's being managed. By demanding transparency, you can build a foundation of trust and ensure that your financial interests are being prioritized. Finding a financial advisor you can trust is like finding a needle in a haystack. It takes time, effort, and a discerning eye. But by knowing what to look for, you can increase your chances of finding someone who will act in your best interests. Start by looking for an advisor who is a fiduciary. A fiduciary is legally obligated to put your interests ahead of their own. This means they're ethically bound to provide advice that's in your best interest, even if it means earning less money themselves. Next, check their credentials. Look for certifications like Certified Financial Planner or Chartered Financial Analyst, which indicate a certain level of education and experience in financial planning. These certifications demonstrate a commitment to professional standards and ethical conduct. Don't hesitate to ask for referrals from friends, family, or colleagues. Word-of-mouth recommendations can be invaluable in finding an advisor who is trustworthy and reputable. Personal experiences can provide insights that go beyond online reviews or professional profiles. Section 5. The power of no, saying it to high fees and conflicts of interest. You have the power to say no to high fees and conflicts of interest. Don't be afraid to negotiate fees, compare services, or walk away from an advisor who isn't meeting your needs. Start by understanding the different fee structures used by financial advisors. Some advisors charge a percentage of your assets under management, while others charge hourly fees or flat fees for specific services. Each fee structure has its pros and cons, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your financial situation and investment goals. Don't be afraid to negotiate fees, especially if you have a significant amount of assets under management. Financial advisors are often willing to lower their fees for clients who can commit to a long-term relationship. If you're uncomfortable with an advisor's fees or investment recommendations, don't hesitate to walk away. There are plenty of other qualified advisors who would be happy to work with you. Section 6. Taking charge. Budgeting basics for beginners. Managing your finances doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a few simple steps, you can take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. Start by creating a budget. A budget is a plan for how you're going to spend your money each month. It helps you track your income and expenses so you can make informed financial decisions. There are many different budgeting methods, so find one that works for you. One popular method is the 50/30/20 budget, which allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Once you have a budget in place, stick to it as much as possible. This requires discipline and commitment, but the rewards are well worth it. A budget will help you avoid overspending, save for your goals, and achieve financial freedom. Section 7. Investing 101. Simple steps, big impact. Investing can seem daunting, but it's easier than you think to get started. With a little knowledge and a long-term perspective, you can grow your wealth and secure your financial future. One of the simplest ways to start investing is through a 401k or 403b retirement account. These employer-sponsored plans allow you to contribute pre-tax dollars, which can lower your tax bill and boost your retirement savings. If your employer offers a 401k or 403b match, be sure to contribute enough to get the full match. This is like getting free money from your employer, so don't miss out on this valuable benefit. Another option is to open an individual retirement account, or IRA. IRAs offer a range of investment options and tax advantages, making them an attractive choice for long-term savings. Section 8. The Debt Dilemma: Strategies for Freedom. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom, but it's not an insurmountable challenge. With the right strategies, you can conquer your debt and achieve your financial goals. Start by creating a debt repayment plan. This plan should outline all of your debts, including the balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Once you have a clear picture of your debt, you can start to develop a strategy for paying it off. There are two main approaches to debt repayment: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first, while the avalanche method focuses on paying off your debts with the highest interest rates first. Both methods have their merits, so choose the one that best suits your personality and financial situation. The most important thing is to have a plan and stick to it. Section 9. Embracing financial independence. You've got this. Financial independence is within reach, even if you're starting from scratch. By taking control of your finances, making informed decisions, and seeking out resources, you can achieve your financial goals and live life on your own terms. Remember, financial independence is not about being rich. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your values and priorities. It's about having the financial security to pursue your passions, support your loved ones, and live life without constant financial stress. The journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but don't get discouraged. By staying focused, making adjustments as needed, and celebrating your successes, you can achieve the financial freedom you deserve. Section 10. Building your financial knowledge, resources for success. In today's digital age, there's no shortage of resources available to help you build your financial knowledge. From books and blogs to podcasts and online courses, you can find a wealth of information at your fingertips. Start by reading books and articles from reputable financial experts. Look for authors who have a track record of providing sound advice and who are transparent about their credentials and potential conflicts of interest. Explore personal finance blogs and websites. Many bloggers share their personal experiences with managing money, investing, and achieving financial independence. These first-hand accounts can provide valuable insights and inspiration. Consider enrolling in a financial literacy course or workshop. These courses can provide a structured learning environment and offer personalized guidance from financial professionals. Section 11, Your Financial Journey, a marathon, not a sprint. Remember, your financial journey is unique and ever-evolving. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to financial success. What works for one person may not work for another, so it's essential to find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes financial mistakes at some point in their lives. The key is to learn from your mistakes, make adjustments, and keep moving forward. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Every step you take towards financial independence is a victory worth celebrating. By acknowledging your progress and rewarding yourself along the way, you'll stay motivated and inspired to reach your ultimate financial goals. Remember, you have the power to take control of your finances and create a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. Are you sure your financial advisor has your best interests at heart? It's time to take control of your financial future. Always double-check the credentials and track record of anyone handling your money. Trust, but verify. Your financial security depends on it. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.